If you're looking for a last-minute gift that you can easily DIY, come check out these ornaments. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Here we go. The Mercury look on vases and bulbs and everything has been all over. I was inspired by some Pottery Barn ornaments, and today we're going to make our own. What you're going to need is an ornament. This can be glass or plastic. I picked mine up at Joann's and they were about 65 cents each. You're also going to want some spray paint. I chose Krylon and the metallic colors are going to work best. You're going to want to go ahead and put a thin layer of the spray paint on. I would recommend using gloves, but I didn't have any handy, so I just had messy fingers afterwards. Next, you'll want a solution of half water, half vinegar, and you just spray that on the bulb. I did this on a vase as well, and I noticed that the flat metallics work a lot better than the shimmery metallics. Once you've sprayed the bulb sufficiently, then you just take a paper towel and you're going to dip into all the little dots of water, and it's going to soak into the paper towel, leaving the Mercury look on the bulb. Once you're done getting all the water up, you can repeat this process if you'd like. However, I usually like how it looks with just one layer. Then let it dry and you're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy DIY gift. Let me know if you give it a try, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!